Go ahead and have a seat. Once you have the weight in your hand, go ahead and put your arm up right over your head. Keep your right hand on your lap. Turn your hand so your palm is facing the wall in front of you. Come down to about 1 centimeter off of your hair, and then you go ahead and lock your arm out. You don't want to move your wrist back and forth. Keep it nice and straight and solid. So go ahead, come down. Bam, centimeter off the head. Good. Okay, now you're going to breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Go ahead, breathe in. Blow out. Perfect. See how the pressure's in the tricep? We're going to be building nice, strong triceps here. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up. Chest is up nice and strong. Abs are tight. He's not moving around. Head. You want to keep your head nice and straight, okay? You don't want to look around. You don't want your arm to be forward or back. You want it right in the center of your head. So go right where your ear is. If you notice, his arm is not swaying back and forth. It's nice and steady right in the middle.